Hey everyone, this is Sakito. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are shooting a 600cc bike. It's a Honda CBR 650R. Miss Neville, he is coming here. You can check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel also. I'm waiting here at opposite of the ceiling. We are gonna meet him here. We're gonna on the way take some rollers, and we are also gonna go to few locations, and we are gonna be having some still shots. So let's go. What's up?
Finally.
This is our NRS. We are taking few rollers and trying to find an angle. Here I'm shooting with the kit lens 2870 with aperture f3.5. So we are shooting this on burst mode as we are taking rollers. And we'll get multiple images. Some will be blurred, some will be sharp. I'm just trying to find a sharp image. Oh yeah, this is a sharp image. See this. The object is.
Sorry, yaar.
The object is. Neville, say hi.
What's up?
And see this.
Killer.
Have the 85mm here. We are here somewhere near Bhauta Dhakka, and we are shooting the CBR over there. That's not the CBR, that's not the CBR. That's Yash, that's Neville, and we are shooting with an aperture. So, and we are shooting with an aperture of 1.8, and the shutter speed is 1/500. IS is minimum. As the sunlight here is more, so we are shooting on highest shutter speed. We're taking an angle according to the pipe and those two tanks over there. So we are taking an angle, the pipe in the center, and those two tanks will be the background. And we are going to be taking a photo in such a way because the cloud is very bright. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to take a photo where all the upper part can be seen and the lower part will be a bit dark. We can expose the lower part in post editing. Evan? So this is one shot. Are you liking the shots?
Amazing, great one.
And so we are here somewhere, and I won't tell you the location. This is near sunset. Yash making few shots for his reels. This is a beautiful scenario here. Shooting this beautiful beast, a perfect 600cc engine. Great power. Neville? How much time it has been you bought this bike?
It's been almost 2 years.
And how's the experience owning this bike?
Thrilled, very exciting, very user friendly, very manageable on the pocket, also not too, I can say, expensive. So great, all in all, Honda refinement amazing.
One. So now let's try the Honda CBR 650R.
All the
I'm not wearing helmet in this scene is because I wasn't having one that day, and that was it. That's what it was. We just ended up there, and I left home, and it was a crazy day. And there was one photo which I liked. Actually, it happened very naturally that we were leaving, and we saw a train passing by. It was on the road with the tracks out there. So we saw a train coming by. And then I rushed with my camera and took the shot, and the shot is weird. This shot has come to be amazing. Like, it is a very good shot. I'm loving this shot. There are a few photos which I'm gonna put in the post credit scenes also. They were also like very good photos. And that's what it was, guys. We enjoyed the day. If you might have liked the editing, I used like two types of editing tones here. One was like, very vibrant type and very clear and all, and the other one was, very this a sunset shady type, and I like that. Okay, so yeah, that's what it was. Hope you guys have liked this video. Instagram ID, and also check out his YouTube channel. Do check out my Instagram ID, the follow button there. So yeah, that's what it was for today's vlog, guys. Hope you guys have liked this video. So hit the like button, comment down your thoughts below in the comment section, share this video as much as possible, and don't forget to subscribe. That's what it is. So without wasting any time, go and have a look at those photos. Sayonara.